in that person's control, possession, custody, relevant to the committee's proceedings. I want to put on record that we have other documents which we've solicited from elsewhere, including recordings, videos, audios we have in our possession as Parliament. And as you do your submissions, I just wanted to put that on record. And everything that we're gathering shall form part of the report that we're going to present in Parliament. Controlling officer, you may proceed to guide whether you're going straight into beaming your presentation, or you can guide. Controlling officer.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. My presentation on behalf of this board will be a hybrid, because there will be matters which will be beamed and there will be others that I'll be speaking to. And then I'll also be making reference to a number of documents which I have with me here. Because I do not have the luxury of space, I may take a bit of time to find amongst my documents that which I would want to refer to at a given time. I hope the committee shall oblige me to tell our story as we wish to.
Controlling officer, you're free, but I hope as an intellectual, you're going to give a synopsis of whatever you want to present without undermining your case. So we don't have all the time, because what we're doing, we've been engaging. So I'd like to play that you'll be considerate to your members, that as you're doing your submission, you also